Hey everyone, how's it going? Here at Test Studio in Southern California. So we are getting this roller sunshade, the version 2 of the sunshade from Hanshow installed. Just to give you a sneak peek, this is what we will be putting on the Tesla Model Y. It is summer, it's getting very hot, so we're getting this installed by Test Studio. Again, they're located in Tustin, California. And you can see here, the packaging is absolutely amazing. Full protection, no issue when this got delivered, and we're just getting it installed by the professional here, and we will get this on the Tesla Model Y and we'll show you a close-up view of what it looks like. The material looks to be a lot more in line with the Tesla headliner. The color match as well as the fabric material feels really nice and sturdy. This should be a fairly easy install. As you can see here, you just turn this latch over and it locks itself. No screw, no hidden screw to fiddle with, and you just tuck it through the rear tailgate. So you do have to roll down or fold down the rear seat, pass it through the rear tailgate, and one person can do this. And the next step is to rest the front towards the headrest there. You can see the front of the window, the actual sunshade is larger. And before you screw it in or turn the knob, you want to tuck in the back first and then push up on the front. So the front, to lock it in, Hanshow do provide you with a tool. You turn it counterclockwise on the right and clockwise on the left. And once you hear it locked in, that is it. No fiddling with any screws. And it has a spring-loaded fabric for a seamless look. It reminds me of the Mercedes-Benz fabric sunshade that automatically opens and closes. So you can see there, it easily opens and closes itself. And also, it has a spring loaded, so it does not require much force. You can see the color match of the headliner. It is almost identical. It looks like it came with the vehicle. I am in the fisheye lens right now, so it looks like the bezel is a lot bigger, but it is not. I'll switch over to a normal ratio here in a brief moment, but just to show you the color match, almost identical. You can't even tell by the naked eye. Of course, this is in 4K, so you will see a slight distortion of the color. As you can see, the actual distance between the window and the sunshade is about 1 inch or so, so you don't lose that much headroom at all when it's closed. And if you want to have it open, you can slide it open. And of course, you can get the electronic one. They do sell the electronic, but this is more affordable and it's also manual, so you don't have to deal with any electronic installation. It took less than 5 minutes to get this installed, I would say. But if you want to get this professionally installed, drop by Test Studio, or if you want to order online, it is available right now. Huge discount, 4th of July discount ending soon, ending this coming few days. So make sure you take advantage of that, 25% off. So make sure you take advantage of this. It is currently limited supply from what I'm aware, because it's summer months. A lot of people are ordering this now. So make sure you place that order as soon as possible. It will get delivered within 1 or 2 weeks, I heard. So that's the lead time right now. And you can actually pick some up from Test Studio themselves. I'll post a link for both. If you want to order online, or if you're local to Test Studio, drop by. You can get this installed and also purchase directly from Test Studio through Hanshow. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Again, this is for the Tesla Model Y. It will fit any year of the Tesla Model Y. And you can install it yourself or have Test Studio install it if you have other items to install. Catch y'all next time. Remember to subscribe.